Well, hey everybody, if you are in the Southern California area near Oak Glen, California, near Yucaipa, kind of in between Los Angeles and Palm Springs, make sure that you come up to Oak Glen if you want to do some apple picking. Apple picking starts about September and it goes into early November. We are here in early October, and this is called Los Rios Ranch, and they do apple picking. They have a barbecue, pie house. They've got a neat store in there where you don't have to do your own apple picking, but you can just pick a bag of apples, which is what we did today, instead of standing and picking. And they also have some delicious apple cider, which I'm going to be making jelly out of, and some apple butter and some apple pies. So stay tuned if you guys want to see to the channel, The Canning Nana, as well as this one. And we are going to show you what to do. So thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you soon.